It's so boring. Just sitting at home doing nothing. Oh, Baby Mario. Hey, Baby Mario, what's up? Nothing much, Baby Luigi. I'm just really bored. Well, yeah, it is pretty boring. I just want to do something, you know. And there's not really any more special occasions like holidays, like 4th of July, and I think that's pretty much it. That's in the summer. Because 4th of July already passed, and we couldn't really see the fireworks. Yeah, because we slept overnight, and somehow we completely slept for that entire day. Oh, we were hibernating like crazy, Baby Mario. But I bet me and you can go watch the fireworks. Oh. Yeah, just me and you can go out and go watch the fireworks. Hey, Luigi, I thought you were gonna ask. What do you mean, Baby Mario? You see, you tend to go all of these vacations and all by yourself. Well, with some of your friends, of course, but you never go with me. And I always wanted to come, but you just never invite me. Oh, yeah, I'm sad to be Mario. Yeah, I should really just, whenever I go out, I should really think about you instead of me, and think about all my other friends that come along. Cause it seems like you don't really get the shine of day. Yeah, Baby Luigi, so when you just invited me to go watch fireworks with you, I got really excited and I can't wait. Yeah. Well, what are you waiting for? We have to go right now before traffic is too much. Oh, crap. Yeah, let me go get ready and get my supplies. Okay, Baby Mario. Ugh. I haven't seen Baby Mario so excited in a long time. He's always been angry and always yelling at me. It's probably a good opportunity for him to actually feel appreciated me. Oh, guess I gotta go. Baby Luigi! Yes, Baby Mario, what's up? Hey, Baby Luigi, well, I just want to tell you that I'm probably going to go to the park just to waste some time to make it go faster before the fireworks. Oh, yeah, I guess that's a good idea. You want to come with me? To be honest, Baby Mario, not really. I don't really feel like going to the park right now. I'm probably just going to go sit in the balcony until you come back. Oh. Yeah. Okay then. I'm not gonna be there for too long. Well, see you later then. See you later. Oh, guess I can go out in the balcony. It does feel nice outside. What the fuck? I'm at the park! Ah, I'm at the park today! Wow, you can't really see me that well, but we're gonna go down this huge slide. See? Let's go.
Wow, what the fuck? I'm at the park! Get out of here.
Oh, no! Oh, what the fudge? There's that guy. Hey, you!
What the fuck do you want?
Go! Push me out down the slide!
Because you're so ugly.
Oh, look at your nose!
Fuck you, look at your nose.
Fuck you! Seems like people play basketball.
You idiot, why would you?
Motherfucker!
Oh, yeah? Give me, you're the ball! You're the ball! You're the ball!
What?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck? Oh! I'm not a fucking ball!
My bad, old.
You bringing my temper up. I was trying to get all my feelings out there, please. What the? Holy fuck, the money. That shit was ass.
Oh?
Hey, Luigi, what's up?
Ooh, what's up, baby Mario?
Hey, I just got down at the park. Seems like the fireworks are coming. We should probably go.
Oh, yeah. You probably should. It is getting pretty late, and I think it's about to start.
Oh, well, you better go now before it's too ouch. Better go. It's gets dark outside, so better go before it's too late.
Oh, yeah. Guess we could go, baby Mario.
Oh, yeah, alright, well, but, hey, baby Luigi.
Let's go, baby Mario.
Oh, wait. Finally see the fireworks.
Ooh. Oh, there's baby Mario. Oof, he wasn't even tired. Hey, baby Mario.
Oh, what's up, baby Luigi?
Going to bed, I see.
Yeah, just really tired after the fireworks. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna go to bed. I don't know about you, but I don't know what you're gonna do, so if you're not going to bed, I don't know. I'll just see you tomorrow morning, I guess.
Oh, I was probably gonna go to bed too, baby Mario, but yeah, I guess I will see you tomorrow morning.
Yep. Well, good night, baby Luigi.
Good night, baby Mario.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, Luigi, you awake?
Oh, good morning, baby Mario.
It's morning time.
Yeah, I can see that, baby Mario, but
Let's get ready.
for what?
Baby Mario.
What? What?
Hey, baby Luigi.
What's up, baby Mario?
I just wanted to say thank you.
What?
Thank you, baby Luigi, for taking me to watch the fireworks with you. Even though it's not really much, but I never ever hang out with you out besides this house. And I always wanted to go on those little vacations, you know? I just feel that I don't get out and do stuff like you do.
Oh, Big Mario. I'm sorry.
It's whatever. Not really, but I just want to go out with you and do all the fun stuff that you do. Can I not do that?
No, Big Mario. You can do that. It just, oh, I don't have an excuse.
Well, other ways. Stop.
Okay, Big Mario, I understand. Look, from now on,
whenever I go out and go do fun stuff with my other friends and or just myself. I promise I'll bring you along to all my adventures.
Blah? You mean to be Luigi?
Yeah, I guess you are right.
Hmm?
You really do don't get out that much. Like even in the podcast. That's when I realized that you don't get much love like I do. So I just want to say I'm welcome that I brought you here.
Oh, well, thank you.
You want a hug?